Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton and today I'm back with another video bringing y'all this bomb 3-in-1 half wig that I received from HerGivenHair. This is such a beautiful natural hairstyle and I've been loving this install and getting so many compliments on it. So let's go ahead and get started with this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe down below.
I'm back with another video. You know what I really hate? But y'all not listening to the conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying.
So hopping right into this video with the unboxing, this is how the hair came straight out of the package. It came super quick in about 4 days and the box was undamaged. The hair looked really nice and I did not pre-wash this wig. It came with some combs and it also came with some instructions for how to install just the different styles and units that they have on their site. I've worked with HerGivenHair countless times and I honestly love them for like the natural hairstyles and giving my hairline a break from lace closures and lace frontals. So I definitely recommend this company and I feel like they have really good units. This is definitely one of my favorites that I've worked with. I think I prefer their curly units more, but I definitely wanted to give a natural 3-in-1 half wig a shot because I've never tried one before. I've only tried their V part Kinky straight units, but this is a half wig. So let's go ahead and get into the install. This is what the inside looks like. It's a bunch of clips and it's also a drawstring, so this wig stays on your head and it fits really snug. It has an adjustable strap as well in the back, and like I mentioned, it does come with the drawstring, so this wig has multiple ways to secure it down to your head. And listen, it ain't coming off. And this is what the hair texture looks like, very similar to my natural hair, and we are going to get into it. Like I mentioned, I did not wash this hair before, but I did wash my hair before, and this was my braid down. I went ahead and just did minimal leave out, but I'm not gonna hold y'all, I kind of regretted not doing a little bit more leave out because I don't think I covered the perimeter of the wig as well as I could have. So I would definitely recommend maybe having like at least like an inch of hair out from the beginning of your hairline out to help blend with the wig itself. And so this was me applying it to my head. Like I said, I did use all those clips and I secured it with the adjustable strap and the drawstring as well, and it was super duper secure. It did not go anywhere, and trust me, I was jumping around, going to the gym, doing everything, and this wig did not move. So this is what my natural hair was looking like when I first put the wig on. It was like seamlessly blended. It's so crazy to me how they got this hair texture down packed. You can't even tell the difference between my natural hair texture and the wig texture. It like, honestly, this was crazy to me. And I didn't do anything to my hair, I didn't do anything to the wig, but I did start off by pressing my hair and the wig itself. Well, actually I flat ironed the wig, and so I used some bio silk on my hair and the wig, and then I also used my Garnier Fructis flat iron perfecting spray just to prep my hair and the wig itself to look really good, because I honestly wanted to give silk press with this look. So I went ahead and I just started flat ironing the half wig itself just to make sure it was super straight, and then I went ahead and pressed my natural leave out, and then I flat ironed it for just additional silkiness. So here is where I start to use my plug-in pressing comb to basically just get my natural hair as straight and silky as possible. And this is kind of why I was saying I wish I left a little bit more hair out. You honestly kind of need some so you can cover like that perimeter of the half wig, because my hair is pretty thin, so I feel like I needed more hair out to make it look thicker, but it still didn't look that bad. But I honestly just didn't want to have to like put too much heat in my natural hair because I wanted to keep this hairstyle in for like a couple weeks, and I know my hair would have ended up super damaged. Then I just took this little shaping tool and I put some layers in the hair because I knew automatically I was going to want to curl it. And then I also just decided to do like a flip over because I feel like, I don't know, it was going to be boring with the middle part. So yeah, I did a little flip over, and then I did take my T5 curling iron, or is it the T3 curling iron, and I just put some curls in it just to make it look even more sleek and pretty, like a silk press. And honestly, the curls really did save this wig because I don't know what I was gonna do if it was just straight, but I feel like since I was going for a blowout type of look, the curls were super perfect, especially because they just, I don't know, just watch, y'all, because I feel like the curls just set it off like this. Like once the curls was finished, I was like, all right, I did it. And then I was making sure that I curled away from my face because I wanted my layers to kind of give me that little like side bang look. And then after that, I did apply some holding spray. I let the curls sit for a little bit, and then I just combed them out, going away from my face again, just honestly overall just shaping the hair. And I'm not gonna hold you guys, I did end up cutting more layers into this look a little bit after I filmed this video, so I was gonna put some additional clips for y'all, but honestly I feel like this final look was still really cute. I just only put more layers in it so that the curls would sit like the specific way that I wanted them to sit to make it look like a good little blowout. So after that, I just decided to apply a little bit more heat to my edges, and I went ahead and just took some edge control and I just started slicking my natural edges down. And I honestly just wanted a lot so it could just look, so my forehead could look smaller, y'all, because that's one thing that I don't like about, you know, wearing my natural hair. I don't like how big my head looks, so I gotta have the baby hair booming to hide how big my head looks, because I just have a little egg head. Like, it's still cute, but little egghead. And this was the final look. This wig looks so good, y'all. Honestly, I really do love this look. I'm not gonna hold you, and I really don't like having my big forehead out, but this look, it ate. The blend ate, everything ate. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely recommend this wig. I would give it a 9 out of 10. My only thing is I wish it was just a little bit more flat, but outside of that, I think this is like the perfect look if you're trying to give your edges a break, give your natural hairline a break, and you have hair that looks similar to it and you want a little silk press look without frying your whole head. This is it for me. Okay, what y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to HerGivenHair. I trust them, I recommend them, and I think you guys should click the link and shop with them down below in the description box. Everything will be down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.